abantu laba engibalandelayo, they are not successful. The people that I have to look up to. Kunento wrong abayenzayo. Abazithathi serious. Took myself serious mina. Inkomo iza early ejimini. Istar siza sidakiwe ejimini. Ngoba uthatha advantage ngestar. Inkomo iza ngo3, itraining icala ngo5. Ngoba uyazazi ukuthi inkomo. So inkomo yizophumelela yizodlalela iChiefs nePirates. Istar uzosithola echisanyama lapha sidakiwe lapha. So whatever the gift, the small gift that you have, maybe it's a painting, you are drawing, or setanyani, or ungaphandle, or craft, whatever that you are doing. It's your responsibility to know who you are. Even no muntu okuzalela umama akakazi ukuthi uzalini. Angeke akazele ukuthi umntwana wami is going to be a boxer, or is going to be an athlete, or a musician. She can assume ukuthi are based ku clan family ufuzo la ekhaya lo ngathi ufana nomalume. Umalume was a golfer whatsoever, but you know yourself more than anybody. Introspection, find you. Ngazithola mina ngayenza lento ngabhilivela kuyo. Ngathi mina ngiyipantsula elibhali invoice mina. Angijayiveli